Welcome back to painting and decorating. Good job here, and it's all about cracks. The first video is going to be on the coving, fixing the coving. So I'll sort the room out and then we'll have a look at the coving. So first of all, furniture, centre of the room, what I can. I'm going to move that wardrobe to the bottom of the bed. Dust sheets on everything. Take the net curtains down and put some plastic sheets up. And then we'll have a look at the coving. Right, that's the plastic on the window. You see? Now, done that one as well over there. Now to move that wardrobe to the foot of the bed. Not easy on your own, but this is how I do it. Hopefully you can be able to see this. I always grab it round the bottom. Oh, this is a heavy one. So there you go, get the idea. I'm going to spin that round now, push it up against the bed. Right, okay. It's not good behind there. This is an outside wall, so having a cupboard on an outside wall, it's not good. Right, next stage, hoover up, give things a wipe down with some anti-mould wash, dust sheets down. Put your dust mask on near that stuff. That's the room sorted out. Dust sheets down. Ready for my next stage. Right, so it's the coving and the cracks in the ceiling. Let's have a look. This is as bad as it comes, really. Right then, so I'm going to start on this one here to show you, because that's the one of the worst. It's actually all coming off. So first of all with this, you can see how much that's come out. That one's not too bad. So what I'm going to do first of all is pin it back so it's in position, and then put some foam behind there. I'll show. So what I've got is some nails, and at the bottom of the coving first of all I'm going to lift it into position and then just pop a nail in. That's not too bad at all. That's held that quite well. I'm going to put one more in there. So again, they're just temporary. So as soon as I've put the foam in, and they can be removed. But they're holding that in position now where I can work. I've actually put some holes in coving in the centre using my screwdriver, an old screwdriver. I'm going to put some foam in there. Now, some of these edges need cleaning, tidying up, so you can put some filler in. I'm going to cut the cork off that bottom one. And I'm also cleaning up the ceiling line, any lumps. No need for any sanding at this point, just the foam and the filler. Just before I start putting the foam in, I'll show you the rest of what I've done. So on some of the bad joints I've actually cut them out, so put some foam in, and when it's filled you won't even see it. You don't need a lot of this, so that's enough. Just a bit in the centre of that. That's enough just to that's enough just to secure it. While I've been waiting for that foam to cure, I've been doing little bits of filling around the top half of the room, on the ceiling as well. So over here, I've already filled out there. Bits round up to here. Can't you tell I've just used the toilet? Painter's dream, that is. Painter's dream. Right, anyway. Toilet in the room you're working in. Remove the nails carefully. And then cut that foam back using your blade. And push it in a bit. You want all the soft edges pushed in. Ready for some filler. When it comes to the filling, you do the small ones. They always need 2 fills. Allow one to dry. And then top it up. Some of these other bits, you've got to push it in. Now, you can either smooth it off with your filling knife, Sometimes it still leaves sharp edges, but with your fingers one of the best, depending what you're doing. The worst thing you can do is leave lumps of filler. Allow that to dry before I do anything else with it. A light sand, tidy it up, finished. Some of these fine cracks, you can just use your finger, bit of polyfill. No thick edges. Wipe everything back. There you go. Right, I'll finish this filling and then you can have a look. That's it for today. So, done well with that coving today. So, no cork used, so that'll be really easy to sand and it'll dry perfectly and the paint will take to it. Okay, so my next video is going to be the bottom half of the room tomorrow and the windows.